everyone, it's me again, Teacher Nel. Okay, so again, let us divide fractions, no? But this time po, let us do the other method. Okay po? So after using the KFC, which is keep, change, KCF rather, which is keep, change, flip, no po? It followed by a cancellation method. Okay? So let's start. First po, let us keep 1/4. Then let us change the operation from division to multiplication. Then let us flip our divisor from 2/6 to 6/2. Okay, so after that, let us now do the multiplication. Okay po? But before doing the multiplication, po, let us use cancellation. Ano po? If we have numbers to be cancelled. Okay, so as you can see, po, 1/4 is already okay, no? And 1/2, 1 and 2, and we have 6 and 4. Ayan. So, let us divide these two numbers po by 2, no po, which is their greatest common factor. So, 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Then 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. Okay, so after that, now let us do the process po on multiplying fractions. 1 times 3 will give you 3. And 2 times 2 will give you 4. Okay, so that will give you 3/4. Okay, next 2/9, so that is 2/9. From divide to times, then from 4/9, let us flip it to 9/4. Okay, so let us do the cancellation, no? So 2 and 9, no? 2 and 4. Ayan, so we need to divide these 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And of course, 9 and 9. Okay po? So this will give you 1 and this will give you 1. Okay? So let us now do the multiplication. Okay po? So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so the answer here is 1/2. Next, 5/6. So from division to multiplication. Then from 10/12, that is, let us flip to 12/10. Okay, so let us cancel 5 and 10. Okay, so divide both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, same po with 12 and 6, no? Let us divide both by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, so after that, let us see if there are still more, no? So as you can see, we can also cancel 2 and 2 here. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so there you go. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Or that is simply equal to 1. Okay, so if you think this is clear to you, kindly answer po the next items, 1 and 2. Okay, so 4/7 divided by 2/5. And 3/4 divided by 3/5. Okay, so if you do consider this video, no, please subscribe na po for more videos. And don't forget po to click the like button. Okay, thank you for watching.